me tell you, I had been selling on eBay for 2009 until when did AOE start? 2000 and when?
2016.
2016. So I'd been selling online, 9 years or so, or 8 years, 7 years, 7 years before when Neil came along. When I learned how to do an Amazon listing, I changed all my eBay listings and to Neil's, the way he sets out the perfect listing, and I raised by about 25 to 30% with most of my products. It was amazing. Thanks, Neil.
You're
welcome. You probably
welcome.
bought a BMW somewhere along the way. Because it did. It made a massive difference. I mean, I'm sure everybody has been to any search. Well, let's do these because this is what I have. So if I look, you can look for just about any listing, and your typical Amazon eBay listing is, pathetic photos. That's all they've got. 3 photos. I always had good photos, at least. That was my, because that's my background. And then, oh no, that's not a typical listing. This actually has got some HTML. But, this type of listing, and nobody reads descriptions like this. They just don't. So when I changed my eBay listings to look more like Amazon listings, and I'll show you what my hydration backpack listing looks like. You're welcome to sell these, by the way, but they don't sell great and there's no profit in them, but they're great for training. So I have great images with a free bonus. So this is a bundle, exactly as Neil teaches. We've got the little things here that show free shipping. We're in Australia. I'm showing the bonus. We've got some great lifestyle images. We've got call out images. We've got the bonuses. Set it out exactly the way Neil shows you. Got another lifestyle image here where I've shoved the backpack on the little boy, which I don't think is even, oh yes it is my backpack. So yeah, just set it out exactly like Neil says. Now, when you come down, you'll see, because we only get 80 characters here, you really have to get your keywords in early. Don't worry about getting your brand name in there. eBay doesn't give a rat's about brands. That's definitely much more an Amazon thing. So get your keywords in there first. When you scroll down, now you can have a better title, and see how I now have, I'll put a nice image here and bullet points, and people read bullet points. They're not reading the whole thing. So quick and easy, get your bullet points in there, a few more lifestyle, set it out like an Amazon enhanced brand content listing. And just having these just was great. And they sell. It looks professional and perfect listing, $1 million listing, follow through, just what Neil does. So yeah, I found just changing my listings to have a picture and some bullet points and then more description made a massive difference. Massive, massive difference.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There are over 2,500 members right here in Australia. We've also got members from other countries as well, but we're mostly in Australia. We've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon here in Australia, and indeed right around the world. And if you'd like to find out more about joining us and getting all the benefits of being a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.